Hey, Guy Cochran here. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to fold one of these reflectors back up. So it takes a little bit of practice, but I'm going to show you how I've been doing it for years and it seems to work pretty well. So we're going to take the thing and fold it in half, kind of like a burrito, if you will. So you can put all your toppings in there, cheese, meat, all that stuff. Now the next step is we're going to curl our piece that's right in front of us underneath, and we do that by, with our arms extended, we're going to act almost kind of like we're riding a motorcycle, and we're going to turn our arms inwards, our wrists inwards, and it's going to want to curl underneath. See if I can give you a different angle on that. So again, it's fold in half, turn the wrists in, and it wants to curl underneath itself, and then you'll shape it. From here, fold in half, curl the wrists underneath, and it wants to go underneath. One more time from this angle. Fold in half, wrists curling, and the unit wants to go underneath. And then you just kind of help it, and it wants to go back into itself. Pretty easy. It's going to take a little bit of practice. If you have some larger ones, maybe like this one, it might be a little bit more unwieldy. Still same concept. Fold it in half, underneath. Pretty soon you'll be able to do this with one hand. No. This one's pretty old and flexible, but again, same concept. Fold it in half, twist. If you get a really big one, sometimes you need to put your elbows into it too and help curl it, because I have a huge one that's like a 6x8 and it's the same concept. In fact, I should probably grab that one next. Tune in for the next video, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll bring out the big one and we'll fold that one up too. All right, catch you guys next time.